Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at Gold Pulse AI, an expert advisor that is getting some attention for trading gold USD. It's currently priced at 99 USD, and the developer is positioning it as an AI-powered momentum system built with reinforcement learning. If you're into gold trading bots, stick around because we'll walk through what the seller says, check the claims, and I'll share my own backtest results so you can see how it actually performs. Let's get into it. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Let's get into it. The developer explains that Gold Pulse AI was created using TensorTrade, which is an open source Python framework for building, training, and evaluating trading algorithms with reinforcement learning. Here's how they describe it. After analyzing previous candlesticks to identify areas of interest, the EA places pending orders that get executed when price reaches those levels. The algorithm supposedly adapts in real time to your broker spreads, delays, slippage, and market gaps. If it decides a pending order won't deliver the desired returns anymore, it cancels it. They note that the neural network gets retrained with the most recent historical data every 4 to 5 months to stay up to date. Importantly, the seller emphasizes that this robot does not use toxic risk management methods like martingale or hedging, and every trade is protected by a trailing take profit and a stop loss. On the signal side, they show results from a live account with steady growth, high win rates on the trades taken, and they claim the backtest match live trading closely. You can download the backtest over here and see the live trading signals. Now let's go over to its recommended settings and features. The developer highlights that it's very easy to use. I should just install it on your charts and set your preferred risk management. The recommended symbol is gold USD on the M15 time frame with minimum capital of $100. Any broker can be used, but they prefer you use IC market or IC trading. Same with account type any, but preferably raw or ECN. I can use any leverage of any VPS. Now its core advantages. The list includes validated performance on internal live accounts, that's directional filtering mechanism, no grid or martingale, and smart logic for entries. Now over at its input settings, we have this. You can go through them and see if they align with your methods or your strategy. Now let's go over to my backtest results and comparison. Over here they claim profit percent of 76.19. Now let's go to mine and see how it compares. First of all, I over to my settings. I traded on gold USD for the backtest M15 time frame from June 1st, 2025 to June 1st, 2026 with 1:50 leverage. Now, after the EA made 205 trades with deals of 410, My profits came out to 56.10, which is significantly less than the 70% that they showed in the results. But to expect that from developers as they will always show a positive result. The drawdown stayed low. Absolute balance drawdown under $50, relative around 0.85%. However, it had more winning long trades percentage wise, solid consecutive wins, and controlled losses. Total net profit of $683, which is remarkably okay, as the net profit is in positive, gross profit higher than gross loss, and a profit factor of 2.01. Now over to the equity graph. We see it shows a pretty steady climb overall. Has some flat periods and small dips, but trends upwards nicely, ending with a total net profit of $683. That's roughly 6.8% return. Since compared to developers' claim, my results are decent but more modest than some of the highlighted backtests you see on the page. It performs as a controlled momentum catcher, but gold can get choppy and those pending orders will feel slippage and spread in live conditions. And see over here. Honestly, this isn't a set and forget rocket ship. In practice, you should do okay in trending good moves, but expect whipsaws during renewals or ranging periods. The broker choice is also important as tight spreads are keys. Now, who is this for? Experienced traders who already understand gold's personality, run it on a good ECM broker with VPS, and size risk conservatively. Beginners or anyone looking for huge returns should probably skip it, as it's more of a steady performer than a home run. Now, what do you guys think? Have you tried Gold Pulse AI, EA, or any other Gold EAs? Drop your experience in the comments and let me know which EA you want reviewed next. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest review, like we always do, and don't forget to grab that free robot with lots of indicators and patterns from the description. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.